heat is not working. This customer actually is like 91 years old. Check this out, y'all. I don't like finding dead animals. It's currently 11:46 right now at night. And I'm actually headed to a customer house because their heat is not working. This customer actually is like 91 years old. It's actually one of my dad's customers. Of course, my dad in the hospital, he can't get to it. And they don't have no heat, and it's currently, what, 17 outside right now? Probably colder than that now. Yeah, and they got a newer furnace. He told me that's another plus because it shouldn't be nothing crazy, maybe. So hopefully it's just something I gotta reset, and then we can reset it and get them on, get them some heat. If it is a part of something like that, then of course we can't do nothing tonight. We're gonna have to go tomorrow, get the part, then go back there. Hopefully it's something that I can repair. Winter time, man, everybody furnaces and stuff breaking down. That's why it's good to get like a tune up. Check your filters, you know what I'm saying? Get your furnace clean before the winter season hit, especially if you're in a real cold climate like we are here, because it really sucks, especially for the elderly, man. The elderly got a little special place in my heart. That's why anytime the elderly need help, man, I'm willing to go out and check it out and see what's going on. I just think about it if it was my grandma or something like that. I don't want them sitting in the cold, or anybody else, so. But yeah, let's check it out, see what's going on. Make sure you like this video so other people like you that enjoy content like this can find us. And it's, of course, it's an art life type of day. Y'all see the scully on my head. Nice and chilly. Perfect hat for when it's cold outside. But alright, catch y'all when we get there. Filter definitely need change. Boy, it's black. It's definitely dirty. You can still see some light through it. It must not be going fast enough because it ain't kicking on. Alright, y'all, we back at it. So now I got the part already. This is the next day, of course. The Inducer motor was bad. That boy was actually humming before I even popped open the cover. And I spent it and got it going, as y'all seen. Like, it was spinning and trying to start, but it wasn't really picking up the speed that it needed for that suction and stuff. So we went ahead and bought a whole nother piece. I'm actually about to go pick up Pops from the hospital, take him to the crib, and then I'm gonna go over there and then replace their part so they can have some heat up in that house. But picking up Pops, I think he been in that joint about a month now. It's probably gonna be feeling like he getting out of jail. The hospital going right now. This boy packed. I'm just trying to get to the front. That's it. We got Pop stuff all packed up. Out of the joint. Out of here. This boy too long. There's a sign of his pillow. Here's my bed. Yeah. I'm gonna be back. I will be going to visit. Shit. Yeah. Too bad it's cold. Couldn't get the truck washed. I feel to be outside after a month or something.
They thought they was about to fish me outside. I said, what you about to do with me? I said, I ain't going out there. I got out there to fish you.
I'm so happy.
She really is.
Good. Oh, no more hospital, bitch.
Okay, well, you better sit your ass down then.
So we back at the furnace. This is our new part. See how free that spins. Making noise. This one is quiet. So let's get straight to it because it is freezing cold. So and those are just 1/4 inch hex screws. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna have to unscrew our vent right here. That's just some Phillips screws. We're gonna take that out and take that off and then pop the new part in. It comes with a gasket on here already. Gotta make sure that old one come off and then pop it back on. So let's see how quickly we can do this. I think we got a bird in that boy. Check this out, y'all. We got a bird in there. Dang, that's crazy. Fun fact about me, I don't like dead animals and finding dead animals. So I'm gonna pop this boy out. We're gonna throw it right in this box. That's crazy though. Hopefully it ain't deeper in there. Let's get this joint unscrewed and then popped off. Y'all know it's always something special. Back here, probably gonna have to get another. Really can't get it from this way. That's blocking that. That's blocking underneath too. That will be the last one. I'm trying to put. So I'm gonna have to put the bit on here and then probably some pliers. I need some flex for this. I would have been able to do this for real. All right, so I got my wrench on the other side. It's a little better now. Use my finger string. There we go. Hopefully don't be no bird guts in this boy. I'll hook this. This gonna be interesting. You know what? I might have to actually take this off. Definitely a bird in that book. I don't even want to look at it. Hopefully there's no other parts to get up in that joint for real. That'd be bad. Now we can put on our new part. That's fiberglass. I got no gloves on it. Take this old gasket off. This fiberglass definitely want to wear gloves. That next plastic, throw that up. Now our new part, I already got gasket on there. I'm just gonna roll it back in there like we took the other one out. If I can remember. Look at that. Whoa. Boy, if it. I already see I got fiberglass in my hand. Put these screws back in. I got a hand tighten our bottom one. Then we got to put our sensor back on. This guy here. All right, hook this power back up. Bam. Now we're gonna hook up our exhaust. Put our screws back in. Then we got to throw in our new suction tube too. One end go down here. Other end go underneath. Going right into the sensor right here. And that's it. Got that connected. Spin it freely. Suction tube. We good to go. Now we click on this power right here. Now let's see this boy fire up. Rolling. So that's the sequence that it go through. This come on first. It'll allow that suction. It'll suck that air through there. Tell that's working. Then our burner start heating up down here in light. Then after that, all those sensors gonna tell it, hey, we got a flame in here, so it's gonna continue to connect. then our blower down here is gonna kick on and start blowing the heat through the house. I'm gonna switch out this filter. So put this new filter in here. This there. Now we good to go, y'all. Now they got heat. Dang, it's running slow. Got a new filter. That's before. Gotta change the filter, y'all. 3 to 6 months. Look at that. There go the bird right there.
I want her to know it's gonna be told to Lydia.
So this is what I get home to. I ain't dealing with these people. Just got done fixing that furnace. Everything is running nice and smooth. Crazy that it was actual bird inside that inducer motor. That's why you need a chimney cap on the top of your roof. So just looking at my neighbors, they don't have a chimney cap. If your furnace is vented through the chimney, it is very important to have a cap on the top of there because it prevents raccoons, squirrels, birds from getting inside there. And they don't have a chimney cap on that house, and probably just get them a price to get up there and put a cap on there and tuck point their chimney. But y'all let me know if this repair gonna help. Comment down below. Of course, we love chopping it up with y'all down there. Appreciate it. Make sure y'all like this video so other people like y'all can check it out. We're gonna have to stay tuned too for that issue we dealing with Take 5 because they messed up this car and now they not really trying to take the responsibility of it. So that's gonna be another little hassle. And then stay tuned for the next video because it's only going up from here. Peace.